This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Gil Gutierrez. This two-story corner unit has a peaceful view out every window/sliding door of a pond where you can catch a sunset. A quiet private patio provides a great outdoor space. You have 2 master bedrooms upstairs, each with their own ensuite bathrooms, and a half bath downstairs for convenience. New air conditioner and newer washer and kitchen appliances. Brand new countertops throughout kitchen and bathrooms, custom-built storage downstairs as well as an entertainment center, and bedroom closets provide ample storage space. Included in rent is basic internet and cable through Xfinity, water, trash, community pool and electric, unless extreme usage occurs. There is 1 assigned parking space and open guest parking for a second registered car. First, last, security and background check for more